I wake up. I wake up early. I wake up early in the morning. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms slowly.
I stretch my arms slowly in bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed quietly. I get out of bed quietly at 6 o'clock.
I make my bed. I make my bed neatly.
I make my bed neatly every day.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom quickly.
I wash my face. I wash my face with cool water. I wash my face with cool water every morning.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth carefully.
I brush my teeth carefully twice a day.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair gently. I comb my hair gently in front of the mirror. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen slowly.
I go to the kitchen slowly in the morning.
I make my coffee. I make my hot coffee. I make my hot coffee with some milk. I make breakfast. I make a simple breakfast. I make a simple breakfast with toast and an egg. I sit by the window. I sit by the window and eat my breakfast. I change my clothes. I change my clothes quickly. I change my clothes quickly for a new day. I start my day. I start my day with a smile. I start my day with a happy smile.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.